Hi, this is Artin Behdad, and in this presentation, I'm gonna tell you when you should use candlestick pattern. Okay, you know candlestick is very popular among traders, but unfortunately, many traders use it in a wrong way. They use candlestick solely. Whenever the pattern is formed, they try to put a trade. It's wrong. It's completely wrong. Please pay attention. When you use candlesticks solely, you will get a lot of signal, a lot of trading signal. But most of them are fake. They are fake signal. You trade it and you lose your money and you will blow your account. Okay? So don't use candlesticks solely. If you want to use candlestick pattern, I don't have any issue with it. But you shouldn't use it solely. Okay? If you want to use candlestick pattern, you should find a point in advance that, for example, price want to make a reversal. Okay? When price reached there and made the candlestick formation, you can put a trade. Okay? So you should find a reversal point in advance. Then use candlestick pattern. Even Steve Nissen, the guy that introduced candlestick to the Western world and wrote some books about it, in his seminar, he said, don't use candlesticks solely. Use it with Western device, with Western tools. In another word, use it with some analyzing system that tells you a point is reversal point, and then use candlestick for confirmation. Okay? So from now on, please, never use candlestick solely. Just use it when you know in advance the price wants to reverse in some point, then use it there and make some trades. That's it. If you have any question, please write it down in a comment box. And I have